Hi guys, welcome back. James again, Caroline Forge. This is part 2 of the door knocker. So, as well as on part 1, we made the hammer. Here it is. Here's the hammer. We also made the other head that the hammer is going to be striking right there. Okay. In this video, we're going to be making the Hardy tool that, oh yeah, I forgot to mention. I'll explain in a minute. Hardy tool that holds the hammer. This will swing from that. Okay? There will be a hole here, a rivet going through there, pin it down on both ends like a goalpost, football goalpost, and that's going to hang from it. And it's going to strike that billet, and it's going to be held by these pickup tongs. We're going to make a small pair of pickup tongs, like you see there. That's the actual size of the billet. I outlined it there, so that's about the size of the tongs we're going to make. Yeah, Hardy tool, because I've done some thinking in the backing plate. The whole mount of this thing is going to be an anvil. I'm going to make an anvil out of some 1/8" steel, just a shell, you know, kind of make the table on it and the horn, Hardy hole there. I think that's going to look awesome. I'm going to bend the sides down to give it some depth. I'm going to do all this bending, tack weld it up, clean it up. That way when it hits, it's on the wood, it's going to be hollow, it's going to make a louder noise, even louder noise. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes, but it's definitely going to be anvil shape. Hopefully I can make the edges fold down about 1 inch or so of it to give it some hollowness inside. But yeah, this part, we'll work on this and this. We're going to make this. This is just going to be fabricated. We're not going to forge this part because it's a Hardy tool. You know, make most of my Hardy tools with a welder and cutting it with the grinder and the saws and all that anyway. So we're going to make this up, drill the holes, get the rivet ready, drill a hole in that, get it ready, rivet it together, and then we're going to work on forging out these tongs. Alright? Alright, we got some 3/8 stock. We are going to draw this down. We're not going to use nearly all this. I just got it long so I can hold on to the end of it. But we're going to draw these down and make the tongs. So let's get them going. Going to start drawing this out with a nice long taper. We've got that drawn out. That's going to be the ring. Now we just need to do the same thing on the other end of this bar. Draw it out just like that. Then we'll nip it off. I'm going to leave about 2 inches here so I can draw out the bit of the tongs on each end. Okay. Got both ends drawn out the same. Now we're gonna take our hot cut 2 inches up on each side, nip them off. So we're gonna nip this one off first and go ahead and work on it. Taper starts there, 2 inches. pull this set to the side and work on it in a minute. Now we'll draw this down to a point to make the head of the bit of our tongs. Alright, we're going to go about 1 inch from our taper. Start drawing it out. Out where we want them. Okay, this is a touch long, we can nip that end off, but we got them done up. Now we're going to scroll these tips back. Start with our tip. Yeah. Got there, nice tight scroll, that's all we want. Same on the other one. Got both our scrolls in. Now we're gonna bend this the way we need it. We're gonna need it bent straight down that way. And then we're gonna flip it, go forward 1 inch, and bend it again, kind of right here, okay? I want to bend right here where it starts to taper, where I can, you'll see. Alright, we got our scroll right there. We're going to go, let's see, half the distance of the hardy hole. Right there. Bend that. Alright, let's do the same with the other one. Okay. Match. Alright. Next we're going to try and bend it right there. I may do that in the vise. I'm going to bend it right about there. Okay? Come in. Well, you know, it works out perfect. Hook it right up underneath that. take this, bevel that down. Be flat on this side, bevel on that side. Do it to both of them. That way, when they work, they'll come together like that. And we'll flatten this part out for the boss. These don't have to be done like regular tongs. Okay, and we'll flatten this part out right here for the boss to drill the hole, to rip them together down here. All right, almost there with these. Almost there. I'll take this thing and just there we go, a little. Miniature version of hammer eye tong. Picket tong. Okay. Now actually, it's the first time I've ever made a miniature set of them, and this is kind of cool. You know, and it's got me thinking because my son's birthday's coming up in the month. He'll be 5 years old, my oldest son. And he loves blacksmithing. And now I know that I can make some miniature tongs. I might make him a tool set for his birthday, for his 5th birthday. He loves to come out here with me. Loves it. Loves it. That just may be what he gets. If he does, I'll be sure to make the video of it for you guys. Our blanks for the litlins. The litlins. The mini tongs. Okay? We're going to let them cool. We're going to go drill our hole right there and get us a, oh, I don't know. See what I got in there for rivet stock that's small. I'll let you know when I find it. We got us a rivet cut, used 1/4 inch. It's perfectly fine for the size that we needed. Rivet's not going to come out on us. Hot, just hot enough, I guess you could say. Just hot enough. So just like I would a normal set of tongs. Nice dome head rivet. His tongs, if they open and shut. Yeah, they do. Now he's got to adjust the head. Adjust that head. Yeah. Bring that in. Bring that in. Alright, I got this one back close to center. Same with this one. I got them all adjusted. They look pretty damn good, actually. Look better than some of my normal size tongs. Okay. But, anyways, we're gonna quench them in oil just like the other ones. Give it that nice black oxide finish, just like the hammer. So let's heat this thing up. Brush down real good. He's in the oil. There we go in the oil. And we're going to bake it on over good. Come back, we'll brush it down and wipe it with a rag. Let it soak some of that, let some of that heat cook it in there. Gives it that real blackened look. Now see the shine on it. Alright, I'm going to cool them down. Let them cool off. Get them ready to go into the shop. And we're going to start working on the hanger for the knocker. Okay. Hardy tool. Alright, let's let these cool. Come back to them. See the hanger for the knocker. Got some 3/8 by 1 inch flat bar. I cut 3 pieces 1.5 inches. And what I'm going to do is just essentially, just like that. Pretty much. Make sure they're all square, of course, and weld them up, and then we'll drill our hole in there and cut our rivet to go through there. Drill our hole in our hammer and get that done. And to mount this to the plate, what we're going to do is, once we get the anvil made, we're just going to drill a hole in the back in the anvil where this is going, and going to weld it from the back side. That way we don't see any welds out here to where it looks like it's just sitting on the anvil. Okay, I don't want to see any welds. It's supposed to look like a hardy tool that I made, you know, to put in there. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get this welded up, and I'll bring you back and show you what it looks like. Okay, I am using the tongs that I made. I may have to make another pair of these just for in here in the shop with some mini tongs for picking things up, because they work pretty damn good for it. I'm going to take this to the sander now and sand down these welds, get it cleaned up, go in here with a file in between here, get rid of those, get it ready to drill the hole. Okay, so I'll let you come along for a little bit on the sander. Them welds up inside there, you're not even going to see them when this thing's hanging. See? You won't even see these things when that thing's hanging there. So I'm not going to file those out. You know, if I was doing this as a commission piece, I would definitely file them out and make it beautiful. But for my door knocker, I don't give a crap if welds are in there or not. And frankly, you can't see them anyway. So calling it good. Now we need to drill our hole. Get ready to rivet this thing onto here so we can have this piece assembled. And we'll call this this episode of it done. It works like it's supposed to. Okay, now let's we're gonna cold peen this rivet. We'll put a mark on here. We're gonna cut this thing off. File underneath there just to keep my piece raised up so I can have plenty for my rivet head on that side. And it's a slow process, you know, cold riveting, but it's not coming out that way. Put this one over here. That rivet's not coming out now. See? Now, just to pretty it up, I'm gonna pin this down. Okay. Alright. There we go, we have our striker. Now, this will go there. Those kind of like that. Okay. See? It's going to kind of go like that. And this is going to, of course, everything's going to be stationary, but so everything that how it's going to be mounted to the anvil that we're making, we're going to drill holes in the back of, this isn't the anvil, this is just a piece, but I'm definitely not going to use this, but pretend this is it. Hypothetically, this is the piece. We're going to drill a hole there, set this on there, clamp it to it, flip it over, fill the hole back in the back side of the plate with weld to weld that down. That way when you walk up and look to it, you know, because it's kind of rounded, it's not perfect, you can still see light underneath. It looks like it's just sitting on there. Same with that, you know. We're gonna drill a hole, set that on there, tack weld that rivet to it. That way the tongs can still work, you see. Wouldn't that be cool? Same with that. Yeah, so let's see where we're going. But anyway. Alright guys, here we have it. Miniature tongs, little mini pickup tongs, which work great. They are going to be affixed to this in a manner to which you won't be able to tell if they're stuck to it, but they are stuck to it. This is the other hammer billet that is going to look like it's being worked on. We have the hammer fixed to its little hinge. Alright, all we have left is the anvil. That's going to be in part 3. So, check it out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for it because it's going to be coming soon. It's probably going to be in the next day or so. We're going to get it taken care of. If you liked the video, pound the button down below. Obviously, please share. Let's let the channel keep growing. It is growing fast, and I want to see it keep on going. The faster it grows, the more pumped I am about putting out these videos for you guys, you know. So thank you for all the help already. Let's keep it rolling, guys. I'm loving it. I hope you are too. And as we say here at County Line Forge, we're going to catch you on the next one.